may mga funny ba na moments?
Funny moments po sa Bini?
But like backstage, were there any mishaps or awkward encounters with other?
Oh, we don't have any awkward moments. Where, I can't really say it po na very precise, pero yun nakikita niyo po sa internet, it's just 1/4 of us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Less pa.
Less pa sa 1/4. 1/8.
It comes out naturally
Yes,
sa
1/10.
Bini.
It's only the 1/10.
Yeah.
Feeling ko when you're a part of Bini, you bring out a personality, you bring out all the funny bones.
Si Ate Aya before hindi sobrang hiwalay talaga yung kaluluwa niya sa Bini. Kasi hindi talaga siya lagi siyang parang sobrang lonely niya.
Actually, when I first saw you guys, diba, you were training, ganyan, you were being interviewed, yung mga personalities nyo talaga, nag-grow siya. Like, I know may mga quiet members tayo. I'm not sure if it's the same.
Sasalita lang ako
Yes,
pag-interview.
yung pinaka-quiet si Maloy. Aside from yun nga, mga funny or mishaps, or mga funny moments, like, merong bang mga nangyari na technical difficulties, like maybe time changes, or for example, wardrobe malfunctions na parang parang we can't, how do we go on? Like, how do we continue?
Parang lahat po nang nabanggit nyo. Nangyari na po sa amin. Damit, sa in-ear, sa music, sa... Opo, lalo po, pinakamahirap for me yung pag may sakit. Tas, hindi naman sa sinisisi yung may sakit, pero syempre po pag minsan kasi, unexpectedly, biglang magkakasakit yung isa, tapos mag-a-adjust kami oras na. Like, as in before performance, magre-rehearse po, magre-reblock po kami niyan.
Full song.
Ang hirap po nun. Opo. Nag-adjust kami ng choreo ng blockings. Syempre po sa isang performance, hindi lang naman isa yung song namin. Marami yun. So, lahat yun mababago po pag may kasakit.
Pero yeah, I think all of those are normal. Pati rin yung sound check. I feel like sound check is, sound system, basta like, sound functions in general. Sobrang normal yan pag artist ka. And I feel like it's happened to us so many times, but then we just learn to accept it. Kasi the show must go on, and we can't keep blaming it on that lang. Kasi the people won't know about those things, and we just have to like do our best and make sure we give out.
As long as you give a good performance.
Yeah.
Like, what's important is...
Last na po,
Go
meron
ahead.
po kaming isang show na lahat po nagtanggalan lahat ng mga sole ng sapatos namin. before performance namin, parang na-check namin, shucks, natatanggal siya. So, naghanap po lahat ng staff namin ng tape para i-tape mo muna yung sole ng shoes
Kasi yung
namin.
shoes po na yun parang luma na, na-stuck. Ganon. So, parang naging fragile
So,
siya.
kailangan talaga maging resourceful din kayo in moments na mga ganun.
Si Joanna po, walang nakaalam nun. Si Joanna po mahilig talaga sa may balat ata si Joanna somewhere. Natatanggal yung mga damit niya, as in, pero
Knowing Beanie as 8 members, I know you guys have very diverse personalities, very out there kayo, which I really appreciate. Parang iba-iba kayong kulay, and it's really beautiful to see. For sure, like sa prod team nyo, backstage, like yung mga crew, is it, like, it's easy for you guys to make them feel comfortable ba? Like, is it something na, for sure, during your training, aside from all the nitty-gritty vocal training, dance training, meron din kayong mga personality workshops for sure. So, whenever you guys go into, like, backstage, syempre, iba-ibang tao yung nami-meet nyo, aside from the usual prod team. What is that like? For example, ano yung camaraderie nyo, per se, like, with them? Like, how is it like?
Malaking help din po kasi na tumira po kami sa isang bahay for almost 3 years. Kasama po namin yung coaches namin, even Kuya Nelsie, yung multimedia producer po namin, Prince.
How long pala? Since chance ko na to make chika with you guys, how long did you guys stay in one place before they
4 years?
Since 2019.
2019 to 2023.
So long.
2022.
2022.
Start of 2023, we lived alone.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then now, still, you guys are still in one dorm? Separate na?
Yeah, separate. Walay na po.
I see. Do you guys miss each other? Maybe?
I know po. Everyday
We
po kami
see each other all the time.
Hindi.
Okay. Ano yung moment that really made you feel like, this is like we're established na. Have you guys like,
don't think-
felt that na before? Like,
I feel like
parang-
even until now, we don't think that we're established yet because we're still making a way to be that, to achieve that household name that we wish to achieve in the future.
Yeah.
So we wouldn't say na we're there yet. Parang malayo,
malayo.
pero malayo na. Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
yes, parang ganun po. Pero getting there, but not yet there, but getting towards there, hopefully.
But honestly, I see that yung hard work na binigay nyo. Like, I think you guys mentioned before na there's no shortcut for achieving your dreams. And nakita talaga yun ng mga fans nyo. And now that you guys are booming now, like your supporters are growing, which, well deserved kasi you guys really work so hard. I hope that aside from like the existing fans that you have right now, mas marami pang makaka-recognize sa inyo because you really do deserve it. Like, coming from a fan as well. So, Beanie, 2-3, thank you very much.
Thank you po.
We are